whole mama fault for letting this vicious ass dog out. This whole fault for keeping this vicious ass dog. But the dog was so vicious that it played a part in my journey up until last year. That judge could have had anything, but if I'm not looking at the signs, just like if people not looking at the signs in this market, they gonna miss the point. Because if I missed that sign, my dumb ass would have played down. And God's sitting here telling me not in the courthouse, don't plead this shit down because that nigga absolutely deserved to get smacked with a pistol that day. He absolutely deserves to get one because I told you to get off of me. And I've been one of them people. Like I said, I've been a fighter. Don't make me do it. But people see me now and they don't know who I was back then. They never saw the journey and they don't hear the story until now.